Hi everyone, I just wanted to thank you all for subscribing and liking my videos and watching my videos. It's been really exciting to see everyone and know that people are enjoying my content. Sorry about my hair, I got caught in the rain, but it happens. Anyway, I decided that when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I think I'm at like 89 right now. When I hit 1,000, I'm going to create a cocktail for dogs, a dog cocktail. What is a dog cocktail, you're probably wondering? I don't know what a dog cocktail is. I'll have to figure that out. Presumably, it will be filled with ingredients that dogs can actually enjoy. So, no alcohol, uh, things that they can actually consume without death. But that is my plan, is to craft this cocktail for dogs if I reach 1,000 subscribers. Now when that happens, which, knock on wood it will, I will film me making the dog cocktail, and so I'll show you how to do it yourself. I'll show the dogs enjoying the dog cocktail, and hopefully it will be entertaining for all involved and yummy for the dogs. Might even make a cat one at some point. This is my cat, Christine. I'm sure she would enjoy a cocktail as well, or anything really that involves food, or chicken juice or tuna juice, or like really anything. She'll eat anything. So anyway, 1,000 subscribers, do it. Subscribe if you haven't, because then we're that much closer to actually having a dog cocktail. So yeah, do the thing.